Welcome to the SBP on Image Processing Toolbox in SCILAB. This session, we will discuss about the basics of digital image and how to download and install SCILAB and Image Processing Toolbox. Before we start the hands-on session, let us first discuss the basics of digital image. First, what do you mean by a digital image? A digital image is nothing but an image is divided into so many smaller portions. For example, if you consider this image, this is in turn divided into many small portions. And the intensity level at that portion is represented by a number. For example, if you consider this portion in turn divided into many sub portions, and the intensity level at that portion is represented by a number 230. So here in digital image, we have three types: grayscale image, binary image, and color image. Grayscale images means here the color, apart from white and black, the picture may have the different shades of white and black, that is gray colors. And here all 0 represents black and all 1 represents white. 0 represents black, 255 represents white. The numbers in between, they represent the different shades of gray. Next, it is binary image. See here we can see only white color and black color. Here the black color is replaced by bit 0 and the white color is replaced by bit 1. Here the small portion of this image is called pixel, and the value at that part is called pixel value. So here the black pixel value is 0 and the white pixel value is 1. And then comes the color images. See, we can get any color by combining red, green and blue color at different intensities. So in color images, each pixel is represented by 3 binary values, that is 3 binary layers. The first binary layer, it has the intensity of the red color. The second binary layer, it has the intensity of the green color. The third binary layer, it has the intensity of the blue color. So color images, it requires more memory compared to grayscale images. That's why in almost all the processing, in most of the digital processing techniques, we go for grayscale processing rather than the color image processing. It's applications of digital image. Why do we need to go for this digital image processing? Why do we need it? See, nowadays, if anybody goes to the hospital for any checkup, they'll give you like any complications is there. If they'll write CT scan, X-ray, UV, ultrasound, everything. All those applications, they fall under digital image processing. If no image processing, no technologies, no such medical applications. Then comes the military application. See, nowadays in the news, we have been continuously watching the border issues, China border issues, and they have been broadcasting so many images of the border. All those things, they are the applications of artifacts of this digital image processing. If no image processing, it was impossible for us to capture those pictures through satellites and then comes consumer application. So if you go to the mall for shopping, then there at the billing time, the QR code will be scanned. That's once again the image processing. Security and that authentication, fingerprinting, face recognition, iris recognition, all those things, it is security. Then PCB inspection. See, if your circuit board is manufactured, the errors in the circuit board, it can be detectable through the image processing. Next comes the introduction to SCILAB. See, I guess most of you are familiar with MATLAB. If not familiar, that's not an issue. MATLAB is one of the wonderful softwares or wonderful tools to compute, to carry many scientific, mathematical and scientific calculations. But the problem is MATLAB is a licensed version. We can have the open source only for some basic operations. And if we go for specific research or any field oriented like communication field, image processing field, if you want to go for any specific applications, research on specific applications, then MATLAB cannot help you because it is licensed. If you want to do image processing operations, then you have to buy image processing toolbox there, which again requires the license. And it becomes difficult for the researcher or the students to go for that. So we will go for SCILAB software. SCILAB is nothing but it's the open source alternative for the MATLAB. And one more alternative is there, GNU Octave. You can try that as well. But Skylab, it's very, very easier and it's very handy, and you will get the commands are very easily available. And almost it supports all the operating systems and it is very, very flexible. So now in the next video, we will see how to download and install Skylab and image processing toolbox. Thank you.